Alright, mi gente, we're here today wrapping it up right now, doing the maintenance on the condenser as well as on the evaporator. So right now we're checking the vitals of the system, which is the gas pressures. So this particular unit is an R22 unit, it's an old unit. This is actually, I believe, an old Ream unit from 1999, so it's quite a bit old. Our threshold in our industry usually is about 10 years. So we're checking the gas pressures. In this particular system, a little bit short on gas, so we had to give it maybe about a pound or so. I think it was about just a little under a pound, about I think 11-12 ounces. It was just shy of gas, 1 pound. Now this one, I know it's short on gas because you checked this one first, but you know what? Well, in the meantime, the unit was turning on and off, so we said, you know what, let's check this one first. Now we're going back to this one. So we're gonna check right now the vitals on this unit. Like I said, I know it's a little short on gas. I believe it's a little bit more than a pound, but we'll find out in about a minute or so. And of course, we have our gauges. Our gauges is gonna dial us in, making sure that we see exactly how much gas is going to the system. So stay tuned, I'm gonna keep you posted. Bye-bye. Mi gente, it's Louis the Boilerman again. Now you see what it takes to clean a condensing unit. You saw it firsthand yourself, you saw it on the video. It's just not like a little wipe or wipe down little bullshit fucking Windex and you wipe down. No, it's a thorough cleaning. So when you get company tell you, oh, we're gonna do something for $49.99, $100, $99.99, make sure you know what you're getting. Because when we say we're doing a thorough clean, this is what it takes. So now that it's completely clean, we're doing another unit over here on the roof. You guys can see. I'm gonna show you guys. So we're doing 2 units here, 2 split units, and then we're gonna do the cleaning of the coils in the evaporator coils downstairs in the basement. Once it's done and completely done, then we actually get actual true readings. So we're gonna put our gauges on, we'll turn on, make it call for cooling, and check the pressures. And then that's when you actually know if these readings are accurate or correct. Because you can throw your readings off just because you have a dirty coil. So that's why it's very important to do the tune-up first. And once you do the tune-up, you take these readings. Now we know if it needs more gas or if it needs any gas, of course. And what else? Now this is gonna run smoothly, efficiently, effectively. So that first hot day of summer, which usually is around Memorial Day weekend, you guys say, I need cooling. They're gonna say, thank you, Louis the Boilerman, because you know what? We got cooling, we're looking cool, we're feeling cool, and we're good, we're ready for the summertime. So guys, with that being said, call Louis the Boilerman to help you with your cleaning and maintenance on your HVAC system. And you know what to call. Guys, I can't tell you anymore. 516-377-5200. Wepa. Guys, remember to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and tap the bell button to watch my next video.